This week, we're looking at some newly released items from this video's sponsor, Anker. Anker is one of the top mobile charging brands and a pioneer in the industry for over 10 years. They make chargers, power banks, power stations, etc. Last year, Anker became the world's #1 charging brand with over 100 million users worldwide. Anker's focus is on addressing making chargers safer and faster, making it more convenient, and also making it greener and more sustainable. In this video, we're taking a look at the newest and best Anker multi-device fast charging lineup, GaNPrime. GaN, or gallium nitride, makes hassle-free charging possible by allowing chargers to become smaller and more efficient. These powerful chargers from Anker have become the world's #1 GaN charger brand. The new lineup includes the 735 charger, 737 charger, 747 charger, 733 power bank, 615 USB power strip, and the 727 charging station. The 735 charger is 65 watts using 53% power compared to the Apple 61 watt. The 737 charger is 120 watts. It uses 39% power compared to the Apple 96 watt. The 747 charger is a 150 watt version that uses only 38% when compared to the Apple 140 watt. It's easy to see how much more efficient these chargers are for your devices. The ultra-fast charging and ultra-compact design makes these ideal portable chargers. Anker's exclusive stacked internal structure, the compact architectural design increases portability 53% while also lowering the operating temp by as much as 18 degrees Celsius. PowerIQ 4.0 automatically detects the power requirements of a laptop, tablet, or phone and dynamically distributes output between them in real time to deliver fast charging to multiple devices and increases energy efficient with a new generation of GaN technology. The power distribution is dynamically adjusted every 3 minutes and releases extra power output for other devices. Charge devices up to 30 minutes faster with this dynamic power distribution. Active Shield 2.0 enhances protection by intelligently monitoring temperature and adjusting power output to safeguard your connected devices. This tech lets you worry less and protects your devices at night. This new lineup can charge higher wattage devices easily, giving you the freedom to travel with one charger for multiple devices. Anker is helping to power a greener world using less e-waste with a multi-port design, meaning you need fewer chargers. The amount of electricity you can save will help to power other areas of essential infrastructure, helping to power the grid more efficiently for everybody. I do have some past experience with Anker and their chargers. Over the years, I've tested a number of their chargers and I was always impressed with the quality and the performance. To this day, I prefer Anker over any other charger brand. They're fast, they're definitely efficient, and they clearly know what they're doing. With new products like the GaNPrime series, I think Anker will remain on the top of my list when it comes to chargers. None of my other chargers even come close to how fast these are. Whether for travel or at home or even for both, this is my preference personally. There's always a model available that fits best for the occasion. Having the built-in power bank in the design is one of my favorite features and super innovative in my opinion. These leading designs continue to add convenience and save energy in my life. And I'm all about saving time and energy because that means I'm saving money. I am a huge fan of all this new energy technology. Not everybody knows this, but most of the energy tech that most of us are using at home is very outdated. Same technology we've been using for a long time. So why do we continue to use this old technology when the new technology is here? And not only is it here, but it is affordable. And not just affordable, but the ease of use with these devices. Life is getting more and more complex for everybody. Years ago, things were a little bit easier to navigate. Now, with more and more complexity within our lives, we need something to help with that. I attribute a lot of my success to being efficient. It's not like I just gotta work hard 24/7. I gotta work smart 24/7. So the more smart I can be, the more efficient I can be, and the more I can get done, and the better my life is gonna be, better quality of life I'm gonna have. You don't wanna be worrying about all these different things and putting your phone on the charger and have to leave it there for too long. You want to have your phone near you so you can be efficient, use it for your business, use it for your family, use it for your life. Don't want to have to leave it on the charger for a long time. Might as well not be a cell phone, right? So you're going to want to get something new that can charge your device quickly. The new world. The old world was back when the phone was always on the charger. Everyone always had the charger. Now you don't got to worry about that. Check out the description of the video or the comments for the latest prices and discounts. Thank you for checking out the video and I hope it helps you out with your purchases. If it did help you out, please drop a like and a comment to help my channel for free. Subscribe if you want to stay updated on new videos, and stay tuned because we got more new stuff coming your way soon.